Trump's 2025 tariffs explained for beginner English speakers. News intro, presenter voice. Hello and welcome to World News in Easy English. Headline: Big news from the United States. President Donald Trump has new import taxes in 2025. Part 1, the global tariff. On April 2nd, 2025, President Trump said, "We will add a 10% tax on everything we import. This means all products from other countries, except Mexico and Canada, now cost more to enter the US. Part 2, special tariffs for some countries. Some countries will pay extra taxes. For example, China will pay 54% in total. This is because of a 34% new tax added to older taxes. Part 3, tariff for dollar use. Trump also said, if a country stops using the US dollar, we will give them a 100% tax. That means the price will double. Part 4, Venezuela oil tariff. On March 24, 2025, Trump added, if a country buys oil from Venezuela, we will add a 25% tax on their products. Part 5, global reactions. Many countries are not happy. China said, it will respond with new taxes. Some experts say this can make prices go up in the US. Closer, this is a big change in world trade. We will watch what happens next. Thank you for watching. This is World News in Easy English. See you next time.